Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my hotel room. We did the grab ride. It was, I think, maybe 1 hour and 50 minutes. I don't know, man. It was, whoa. I'm just walking around in my room. I'll give you a quick tour what we're getting here. So this room is 30 square meters. We got aircon over here in the back. What do we have over here? A nice bed. Wow, 8 pillows. What the hell, man? I've never experienced like 8 pillows before. So we're gonna stay here for 2 days because I couldn't book this hotel for 4 days straight. And we got a balcony over here, but it's really dark right now, so it's already 6 p.m. But got a nice couch over here, so we can sit over here, just chill around here. If you can even lie down here if you want to. It's a pretty nice room, man. For I don't know, it's like 70 or 80 euros. I booked it really early, so it was quite okay, I guess. And you got a big TV screen. You got a desk over here, a nice chair. They do say they did say the mini bar is not complimentary, so everything you touch in here will cost money. But the tea and the water is complimentary. I think this is not complimentary. I think the bottles of water are complimentary, but it's okay. You don't need this stuff. You can just eat outside. What do we have over here? I don't even know what this. Oh, this is electric stuff. We don't want to mess around with. You've got a lockbox over here. We can probably place some valuable stuff you don't want to get stolen off. Yeah, the bathroom. This bathroom is crazy, man. It's like I don't even know where to start. So we've got maybe I just turn around the camera so you can look at a little bit better. You got one sink. This is a really nice sink. I think also some body moisturizer. You got a soap bar, mirror over here, a super sized big mirror. Look at this. This is crazy. Hello. And you've already seen it in the background. Like there's 2 cabin doors. I don't know why. Why are there 2 showers, man? What the hell? Oh, there's a toilet over here. Oh, I thought the toilet has a separate door, so I thought it was a shower. But you've got a toilet over here with a bidet and some towels at the top of the toilet. I don't know why there's always towels above the toilet, but maybe that's for your this is interesting. Like it's semi transparent, but also not. Like the upper part is not blocked, so you can still watch if you're tall enough. And yeah, actually I need a good shower because the Crown Lounge in Amman lounge tried to rip me off with 22 USD to shower in the lounge, which I find a little bit too expensive. I thought, okay, I'll just brush my teeth, wash my face, and that's it. You know, it's like freshen up, a little bit of deodorant, and then we're good to go. You know, it's like I didn't make any problem of it, but you got your standard stuff over here: peppermint shampoo, some conditioner, and some body wash, which you will need. Get some cool. I don't know why. This is probably like the rain shower thing and normal kind of thing. So you got a rain shower over here. So look at this, guys. Rain shower looks good, man. Nice. I don't know what these are. These are just sockets. This is a nice bathroom, man. I I don't think this is something to complain. The bathroom is super beautiful. Like a big size room, big mirror over there. You got 2 bathrobes. Man, you got even like slippers for if you want to go to the beach. That is crazy. You know that these will be provided always. These are not provided usually. It's like, are these free to take? I don't know, man. It's like, yeah, better just wash it in before you use it, because you don't know. It looks like used. So the minibar, yeah, I haven't checked out the minibar that intensely. So you get some fruit juices, Sprite, Coca-Cola, soda water, some beers. It doesn't even matter, if you want to drink it, you gotta drink it, man. So and you got some snacks over here, cup noodles, some peanuts, prawn crackers. Yeah, they cost money, so that's standard. But yeah, and of course your basic commercial stuff on the TV, you have that in most hotels just to brainwash you to eat stuff from their restaurants or. But yeah, that is the room tour of Pattaya, man. It's like my first time in Pattaya, so I already got a call from my friend. She said just call me when you're here and freshen up and all those stuff, and then we'll go out for dinner. Not sure what we're gonna eat, man. It's like it's my first day here, so we'll just roll with what we have, and will be fun, I guess. So this is the yeah. I really need to freshen up a little bit. You know, it's like I've been traveling so long now. It is 5 hours in Amsterdam, Amman. I waited for 4.5 hours, and then the layover. And then 8 to 9 hours from Amman to Bangkok, and then fooling around with the security and the baggage claim, which was pretty nice. It's like it didn't take a long time at all, like maybe like 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops, and that is really nice. So as a Dutch citizen, you don't need a visa, so you can just walk through the security. So that's really nice. And yeah, getting a Grab was a bit tricky because the first 3 Grab drivers did not accept my request to Pattaya because it was too far, which I get because yeah, from Suvarnabhumi airport to here is like hour and a half or 2 hours. So yeah, I get that, man. It's like if I was a Grab driver, I wouldn't want to do that either, but it's good money, you know, for them. It's like 1,500 baht, so it's a bit expensive, but if you do like airport taxis, it's even more expensive, like 2,500, or so I'm guessing 1,500 is a fair price. Yeah, gonna freshen up, and not sure if I'm gonna vlog our dinner, so maybe just do it offline, and probably gonna vlog the next day. So we're probably visiting some temples or maybe some other sightseeing, and then we're gonna go for Rolling Loud, man, because Rolling Loud is happening tomorrow already. So it's Thursday today, and we are and this is now already 6 p.m. and we're already next day is gonna be Rolling Loud. So it's gonna be massive WTF for me because it's my first time for a 3-day event, but it's gonna be awesome, guys. So catch you guys later. See you then, man. Consider subscribing to my channel if you like these type of videos. It would really help me grow the channel. All your support, comments, suggestions means a lot to me. Peace out, my friends.